Okay, I'm going to drive from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Palm Coast area. Since I couldn't think of anything to do today, I'm just going to put the camera on the phone and drive and see what kind of crazy stuff happens, because it's Florida and it's never ending. The insanity down here is never ending, so we'll just drive and see all the crazy stuff that happens. I'm pulling out of Domino's parking lot right now. Just had to drop somebody off, so let's see what happens. Think anybody will let me out? This is Highway 100, I think they call it 100. Guy let me in. Thank God. Thank you, sir. When they know you got to get over, you think they're going to let you go? No. Spot to turn on. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Paving the roads, and then they leave like a 4-inch lip when they're paving. So. Florida traffic is unrelenting. St. Augustine, one of the worst places to drive. Takes you an hour to get from one stoplight to the next. Guy next to me's got his radio up loud. I don't want to record that. the lights in Florida, terrible. Sit at a light for 15 minutes sometimes. I will say the weather's good though. Oh, here we go. It changed. The light changed. Doing the speed limit or 4 or 5 miles over the speed limit, and that angers everybody. They want you to be doing 20 miles over the speed limit. Everybody's angry down here about driving. 45 now. Here's another light. Bus drivers, oh, they're the worst. The worst. Speed limit's 55 here. Yeah. Alright. So before the cops look to give you a ticket, I think they give you a break of like 4 miles an hour. 4 or 5 miles an hour. So I'm gonna do the speed limit. I'm sure that'll piss everybody off. right lane. Alright, I'm going to stop the video and restart it. Here's a guy, he's right on my ass now. So I'm going to get over here to the left lane, because I'm going to go over to the beach side, A1A. And, yeah, this guy's right on my ass. Goes. Yeah, man, got a pickup truck. Get out of my way.